Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, blue color, red color, green color, white color and yellow color. So kids, now you draw alphabets and first you draw A and use black color. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for jug. H for helicopter. I for ice. Kids, now I draw J and use blue color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quill. Kids, now I draw R and use red color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo. Kids, now you draw numbers and use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.